All right. Good afternoon and welcome back to the quick live update sessions on my channel here. All right. It's playing on the background here. I'm sorry for the disturbance. All right. See, I'll be coming live at least 2 times, Monday through Friday on my channel here, giving you at least two quick updates or trade updates. If you are looking out for more detailed live sessions, or if you are an active trader, please consider joining my Telegram channel, Japee. I'll be starting to send out live trade setups there very soon, and you can also find me on other websites. I'm playing a role as a consultant on educational websites and also live sessions. Right. As far as you're enjoying here, it's all good and fine for me. So let's get started off with the Euro USD. If I bring out the wave count very quickly, it is still under the preview of a potential leading diagonal, or that's a leading diagonal, or can have A, B, C kind of a drop. Right? It's a corrective one, and that leaves room for yet another high. All right. The question is, where should we pick it up on the long side? All right. Now the calculation that we did yesterday has worked out absolutely well, and I would like to bring out that wave structure here very soon as well. Yesterday during the New York live, it was recommended for a short-term trade setup in euro to go to sell around those mark 1800 mark, or maybe 1775, 80. In spite of the fact that euro looks to be bouncing right at the backside of the trend line, it is more likely, or it should be more likely, trying to test lower support levels, precisely somewhere around the 1670 mark. All right. There you go. That's the Fibonacci ratio. 61.8% is passing through 1670. Makes a lot of sense. Euro drops lower. If I also try and do a trend line, another trend line, it should not be a big difference in the angle. Let's try and see where it is matching up. Somewhat, maybe if not today, somewhere around 22nd of November, that is tomorrow, or day after. It should be looking to form a base around 1670. So we'll be looking out to catch up euro on the north side somewhere here. Right now the trade continues to be on the short side, and that's the hourly view. If you were there with me, I thank you for your subscription of this channel. We've got a new subscriber in the past few hours. You're welcome. And you'll find me twice a day these times, that is approximately or not approximately, exactly about 1:30 a.m. Eastern and 7 a.m. Eastern, just around the UK live, and before the New York live begins you'll be finding me here for about 5 to 8 minutes, giving you quick updates. All right, so yesterday we were somewhere here when it was around the New York live 7 a.m. All right, slightly low actually, but it was recommended to sell with a stop loss around 1860 or risk around 1860, targeting around 1670. All right, so prices have inched closer to its estimated target. Now don't expect prices to drop lower exactly from the current levels. It's actually providing, or it's providing a three-wave view right now. Nice little corrective wave. That corrective wave can extend up to 1760 1770 levels as well, but ideally now the resistance or a short-term resistance is should be seen around the 1820 mark or the 1810-20 mark. All right, that should be the resistance now. The prices should remain below that. Okay. So the trade continues to be on the short side for now. The target remains around 1670. Please take your profits around those levels or just ahead of that, and we will come back on this trade in the next session again. All right. The other chart which we were viewing, I mean, that's moved absolutely bang on target, and that is gold, one of my favorites. And I think if you are a serious kind of a trader, I'll be making you trade both sides certainly in this instrument, in this counter. All right. Now, if you were there with me yesterday, brothers, and okay, we were somewhere around 1292, I remember, and prices were estimated to drop lower, which it has turned out to be well. So if you count waves simply, it's 1 2 3, working out on wave 4. Actually, it's already terminated wave 4. Watch out for 1270 now. Right, that brings us to a level where at least the first leg is over, and most likely the structure remains selling on rallies. All right, so watch out for 1270 levels on gold and 1670 levels in the Euro USD. All right, if you have any queries or any doubts, you can personally contact me or write an email at the following address. I would be very glad to respond to your queries in a timely fashion. And then you can also join my live channel, where I'll be pushing all the live trades, Japee, on Telegram as well. Right. So I'm bringing this session to a pause right now. I'll be back again after a few hours around 7 a.m. Eastern Standard now, and we'll take it further from there as well. All right. So once again, thank you for joining in, tuning in live, and until the next session, please take care and God bless, brothers. Goodbye.